Hi, this is David at DPComm1, and I'm currently on a messenger chat with
BNSF Lover.
Oh yeah, I love the scanner there, BNSF Lover.
Yes, this is my Uniden BC125 XLT scanner. Used it rail fanning a lot. It works really well. Used it for just regular scanning when we're, say, out at siren shoots and stuff, just to listen in on what's going on. So it's proved very good for the price. I got it for my birthday, which is in late June. So definitely used it a lot, and it works really good.
Oh, very cool. Of course, BNSF Lover and I go out rail fanning and siren shooting. And I've been using my, I'm a ham radio operator also, call sign KB9EWG. And I've been using my amateur radios to do rail fanning with. Well, these radios are good two-way radios, but they're not real good scanners. They have a slow scan rate, and trying to, find some of the exact rail frequencies in that, is not always the best. They work great for a two-way radio, but they're not actually scanners. So I've been doing my homework and doing some watching on YouTube and talking to different people about scanners and that, like Jack with his BC75 there.
Yeah.
And I've been looking at scanners and that, so I decided to finally take the dive and buy myself another scanner. I've had scanners before, but I've got a couple base scanners. They don't do me well out rail fanning now, do they?
No. That's what's so nice about these, is you can take them wherever you want.
And sometimes when I'm out siren shooting now, I do not put the tones out on the videos I'm doing, but I can always listen with a headphone on the on the scanner and listen for the tones for the siren to be activated, so I know if it's going to be activated or not. And sometimes, like the lacrosse sirens are on low band. Well, this radio does not cover low band, so I couldn't listen there. So I did buy myself a scanner, and gee, a package has arrived.
Awesome.
So time to open this package up here and take a look and see what I picked up here. Get my knife out. Ready to unbox. Of course, safety first, cover my blade back up, put that away. And what's inside the box? We have a Uniden BC125AT scanner.
Awesome.
Get this box out of the way here. And yep, this is supposed to 500 channels. It should cover all the rail fans and everything. It's got different band selection, and of course it's got 500 channels, so I can, that's 10 groups of 50, so I can set different groups up, and I'll have a couple of groups set up just for rail fanning. Of course, I do one just for amateur radio, one for public service, and so anyways, let's open this thing up and take a look at it.
Yes.
Pretty excited getting a new scanner here.
It's always nice getting new radios or any technology.
Oh yes. And I am being a ham radio operator, I'm a technology buff, and I love my radios and that. And
yep.
like I said, the ham radios, they're good radios, but they're not real scanners.
Yeah.
And like I said, I've been doing some of my homework and figured time to get something that's actually recommended for rail fanning.
Yeah. What I like about this scanner here is I actually have my scanner here, I have a whole bank of just rail frequencies.
Well, that's what I'm going to be doing. Well, let's see, we got a USB cable in here. I'm sure it's for charging and programming. We got some rechargeable batteries.
Oh, yours came with batteries?
Mine came with rechargeable batteries, yes.
Okay, mine didn't. That's pretty cool.
Wrist wrap. I don't really use wrist wraps much, but it's there. Here is the antenna. Of course, these are general coverage antennas, so they're not the best antennas. You know, they're good at covering a lot of frequencies, but you know, it's BNC just like yours.
Yep, basic, it's same exact thing, I think.
Yep, it's probably the exact same antenna. But I've got other BNC antennas that are for my ham radio, dual band VHF, UHF antennas with BNC connectors also that are gain antennas, so they should work even better.
Yeah.
We've got the scanner itself.
Awesome.
Here it is.
Looks great.
So, anyways, this is going to be my new rail fanning scanner. Like I said, I can also listen to the siren tones when they're activated. I don't put the siren tones on my videos, but I can listen to them. And should be good for that. And of course, even with my ham radio, it great for listen to the radio stuff there. Of course, severe weather.
Yes.
This is also a weather radio, so there we go. That's my new scanner. I just unboxed it. Once again, this is DPComm1 with
BNSF Lover.
Yep. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you down the road. Thank you.